Good afternoon, classmates. Professor Belafonte. Welcome to my persuasive speech. Today I'm going to persuade you to start to engage in an amazing activity that can save our planet. This activity is recycling. Our planet is suffering from extreme damage and climate changes, and this is in part due because of us. It's our fault, in part because we are producing a lot of contamination, pollution, and we're not treating our planet with care and respect. Pollution is one of the most important sources of damage to our planet, and the good news for everyone is that we can stop producing this high amounts of pollution, and one of the solutions is actually engaging ourselves into recycling our garbage so it can be reused. Greener activities, it's something that it's in today and we should all pay a close attention to them. The green activity that I'm going to be speaking about today, it's recycling, as I mentioned today. But exactly what is recycling and why is it so important to recycle? First of all, recycling is a process of separating, collecting, and remanufacturing used or waste products into new materials so that we can use them again. But now, what are the benefits for us and for our planet? Well, believe it or not, the benefits are not only for our planet. There's a lot of benefits for us as well, because if we live in a healthy planet, then our conditions of living improves. Recycling saves the earth, and that would be the reason why, the number one reason why we should be recycling. Yet, that's not the only reason. There are several other reasons why recycling is so important. It also saves energy, helps mitigate global warming, and reduces pollution. And it also helps to our economy because you can collect all these products and sell them to a company that is willing to buy them for recycling purposes. So that way you can also make some money. Sounds good, right? So this leaves us with an interesting question. What can be recycled? Pretty much anything can be recycled. At home, you can start by recycling eggshells, vegetables, fruits. You can use them to fertilize your plants instead of just trashing them. It's an amazing fertilizer. You can also recycle paper, glass, aluminum, plastic. Those are all things that you can recycle. Just make sure that you separate your garbage properly because it makes easier the process of recycling. Now I'm going to explain you the 3 stages of recycle. First of all, you have to collect and sort. The second stage would be, the collected material or processed into reusable products. And finally, when the products are finished, the selling of the recycled products to the consumers is the final step. I want to share with you an interesting article that I read by Nadia Belmont, and it's titled "Why Recycling is Important." In this interesting article, she exposes information about a interesting topic that for me was kind of awesome, and I actually shared it with my children. Do you know that you can actually recycle your smartphone? Yes, the answer is yes. Electronics can and should be recycled without a doubt. And she exposes amazing information about the USA Environmental Protection Agency that reports that for every million cell phones recycled, 75 pounds of gold, 35,000 pounds of copper, and 772 pounds of silver can be recovered. Can you imagine that? It's absolutely amazing what we can do by recycling our smartphone. Finally, What can you do to start recycling? Let's build a plan and just put ourselves into action and start recycling today. The first thing that you can do is buy multiple trash cans. You can get them like in different colors so that you can start putting your trash separately in a proper way. Plastic in one trash can, glass in another, aluminum, etc., so that the process is easier. Second, get as much information as you can about your recycling program of your community or school. I want to share with you that in my community, I am the director of the recycling program. Right now, I live in Mexico City, so for Mexico, this is kind of new. In the United States, people have this um, amazing thing of recycling, and here we're all starting to know that it's so important for our planet. So I am the director of my community, so everyone that has a question about recycling normally comes to me, and I would be the person that would guide them on the things that they should do to start recycling their garbage. And second, finally, the personal advice that I can give you is that take small steps, don't get desperate, and just keep on recycling every day. As much as you do it, then it's going to become normal and you will do it automatically with no effort needed. So just keep doing it. We have been in an amazing and persuasive little trip to learn how to recycle and why is it so important to recycle. So remember that anything can be recycled, from glass to plastic or even your smartphone. We also learned that recycling saves our planet, which is amazing because we want to leave a better, beautiful planet for our children and our grandchildren to be able to enjoy. If we keep polluting our planet, eventually it's going to be fatal for everyone. So keep in mind that we have to help our planet. And in order to be capable of living a healthy and stable planet, we all should try to make the difference. And be positive. Be sure that recycling, it's a small step that can give a lot of benefits to our planet. Recycling is without a doubt the first step to show how much you care and how much you respect our beautiful planet Earth. Thank you very much for watching.